In this video, I will show you how to create a doodle effect on Canva. So let's get started. We begin on the Canva homepage where all of your recent projects are stored. To open our workspace, I move down to the Recent section and click on the thumbnail titled Untitled Design, which opens up our working canvas in a new window. Once the canvas loads, you can see three detailed, colorful food illustrations placed side by side. These graphics look great, but today we want to transform them into a unique black and white hand-drawn doodle style using Canva's built-in tools. To start this process, I click on the first illustration on the far left side of the canvas to select it. With this element highlighted, I navigate up to the top toolbar and click on the Edit button. This opens the image editing panel on the left side of the screen, giving us access to various tools and creative effects. Next, I scroll down through the left panel until I locate the Style Match section. To view all the artistic presets, I click on the See All button next to Style Match. This expands a complete gallery of handmade styles, including options such as scrapbook, painterly, cartoon, etching, and doodle. I select the doodle preset by clicking on its icon. As soon as I click it, Canva begins processing the image. After a brief moment, the original colorful illustration is automatically converted into a crisp, black and white hand-drawn doodle outline. Now we want to apply this exact same effect to the remaining graphics so the design stays consistent. I click on the second illustration in the middle of the canvas to select it. With the Style Match panel still open, I click on the doodle thumbnail once again. Canva processes the graphic and converts the second dish into the same outline style. Finally, I move over to the third illustration on the right side of the canvas and click on it to select it. Over on the left sidebar, I click on the doodle preset one more time. Canva processes the image and turns it into a matching hand-drawn doodle graphic. With all three illustrations converted, I click the small X button in the top right corner of the editing panel to close it and view our finished design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create doodle effect on Canva.